Today we are going to see arithmetic progression. So arithmetic progression is written as A, then A plus D plus A plus 2D plus next one is A plus 3D. Here A is first term and D is common difference. Example, suppose we write first term 2 and we take common difference 3, then it will be 5, then 8, then 11, and dot dot dot. Similarly, suppose we take A equal to -2 and D equal to -3, then AP will be -2, then next term will be A plus D -5, then -8, -11, etc. Now, generally we write AP as A plus N minus 1 into D. This is nth term An. This is also written as Tn. Let's see one question. Question number 1. Th term of AP is th term equal to 1 upon q and qth term is 1 upon p. We have to find out pqth term. Pqth term equal to question. Now, let's consider the solution. So, we write pth term means a plus p minus 1 into d equals 1 upon q and a plus q minus 1 into d equal to 1 upon p. We subtract these two equations. So we get d times p minus 1 minus q plus 1 equal to 1 upon q minus 1 upon p. So this will give d times p minus q equals pq, p minus q. From there, we get d equal to 1 upon pq. Now, from this equation, a plus p minus 1 into d equal to 1 upon q, we put the value of d. So we get a equal to 1 upon q minus p minus 1 into d. D is 1 upon pq. So we open the bracket. So 1 upon q minus p upon pq plus 1 upon pq. So PP will cancel out 1 upon q and this is also 1 upon q. So we will get a equal to 1 upon pq. So we have got the value of a as 1 upon pq and d as 1 upon pq. Now we have to find out pqth term. So a plus pq minus 1 into d is to be found. So we put the values. So a is 1 upon pq plus pq minus 1 into 1 upon pq. Now we open the bracket. So we get 1 upon pq plus 1 minus 1 upon pq, from where we get 1. So we can say that pqth term is 1. Let's consider next question. Pth term is q. Pth term is equal to q and qth term is p. Nth term is to be found. Nth term equal to question mark. So let's solve it. A plus P minus 1 times D is Q, and A plus Q minus 1 into D equal to P. We subtract these two, so we get D times P minus 1 minus Q plus 1 times Q minus P, which implies D equal to Q minus P divided by P minus Q, which gives minus 1. Then we put the value of D in equation 1. So here we get A plus P minus 1 times minus 1 equal to Q. So we shift this to RHS. So we get A equal to Q plus P minus 1. Now we have to find out nth term. So A nth will be equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We put the values. So A nth or an, just we can write it. An will be equal to A. A is Q plus P minus 1 plus n minus 1 into D. D is minus 1. So open the bracket. So Q plus P minus 1 minus n plus 1. So we get P plus Q minus n, which is our answer. Now, sum of n terms of an AP is given by Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This can also be written as Sn equal to n by 2, and we can split this. So a plus n minus 1 into d. And this is an or L. So we write it n by 2, a plus an. So this is formula of sum. Now let's consider next question. Question number 3. Sum of n terms of an AP. Sn is given as n square plus 4n. We have to find out A15. So we put n equal to 1, S1, which means first term, A will be 1 plus 4, that is 5. Then we put S2, which includes first two terms. So A plus D will be equal to 4 plus 8, that is 12. Now we have A equal to 5, so we have 5 plus 5, 10. So we can get D equal to 12 minus 10, that is 2. So we need A15, and that is given by A plus 14D. So A is 5 plus 14 times D is 2. It will be 33, which is our answer. Now, let's consider next question. Next question is, we are given a sequence 1 minus 1 upon n plus 1 minus 2 upon n plus 1 minus 3 upon n plus dot 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 till n terms. We have to find out the sum. So we write it as 1 plus 1 plus n times plus. From here we can take common 1 by n. So with a negative sign, it will be minus 1 upon n. Then this will leave 1, this will leave 2, this will leave 3 till n. So 1 when added n times, it gives n plus 1 upon n. sum of natural number till n is last term and last plus 1 divided by 2, that is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So from here, 1n will cancel out. So we simplify, so it will become 2n minus 1 divided by 2, that is n minus 1 divided by 2, which is our answer. Now, let's consider next question. Question number 5. Question number 5 says, mth term of AP. So AM is given as 1 upon n, and nth term an is given as 1 upon m. And we have to find out Smn. So first we write a plus m minus 1 into d equal to 1 upon n, and a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 1 upon m. Now we subtract these two. So we get d times m minus n equal to 1 upon n minus 1 upon m, that is m minus n divided by mn. So from where we get d equal to 1 upon mn. And now we put this value of d here. So we get a plus m minus 1 into 1 upon mn equal to 1 upon n. We shift this to right hand side. So from there we get a equal to 1 upon n minus 1 m upon mn plus 1 upon mn, and that will give a equal to 1 upon mn. So we have got the value of a as 1 upon mn and d also as 1 upon mn. Now we need sum of mn term. So Smn will be mn divided by 2a. A is 1 upon mn plus mn minus 1 into d is also 1 upon mn. Now, if we simplify it, so either we can cancel mn from here, mn. So, and we multiply 2. So we get this 2 will get cancelled. So we will get 1 plus here mn minus 1 divided by 2. So if we further simplify, so we get 2 plus mn minus 1 divided by 2, which is equal to mn plus 1 divided by 2, which is our answer. Now, next concept is arithmetic mean. So if there are two numbers a and b, then am will be a plus b divided by 2. Now, if between a and b, suppose n means are to be inserted. So a1, a2, suppose n means an, then this is a, this will be a plus d, this will be a plus 2d, similarly this will be a plus nd, and b will be a plus n plus 1 into d. So this can be understood by one question. Let's check question. Insert am between a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. So am between two number is average of the two. So it will be a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square divided by 2. If we open the bracket, we get a square plus b square plus 2ab plus a square plus b square minus 2ab whole divided by 2, from where we will get twice of a square plus b square divided by 2, which gives a square plus b square. Now let's consider next question. Question number 7. If am of a and b is a power n plus b power n divided by a power n minus 1 plus b power n minus 1, then n equal to this. So let's consider the solution. So a plus b divided by 2 is am between a and b equal to given a power n plus b power n divided by a power n minus 1 plus b power n minus 1. We cross multiply, so we get twice of a power n plus b power n equals a plus b times a power n minus 1 plus b power n minus 1. Now we open the bracket, so we get twice of a power n plus twice of b power n equal to, from here, a power n plus b power n plus a b power n minus 1 plus b a power n minus 1. So 1 a power n, 1 b power n will cancel out. So a power n plus b power n equal to a b n minus 1 plus b a n minus 1. Now we take these two terms to LHS. So a power n minus b a power n minus 1 plus b power n minus a b power n minus 1 equals 0. From here, we can take out a power n minus 1. Then a minus b will be left. And if we take common b power n minus 1, then b minus a will be left. Now, we can write it a power n minus 1, a minus b minus b power n minus 1 a minus b equals 0. So we get two factors, a minus b and a power n minus 1 minus b power n minus 1 equal to 0. A does not equal to b. So this term will be 0. A power n minus 1 equals b power n minus 1, which implies a upon b power n minus 1 equal to 1. So from where we get n minus 1 equal to 0 or n equal to 1, which is our answer. Now let's consider next question. So next question is question number 8. Question number 8 says insert x arithmetic means between x square and 1. So let's consider the solution. So x square, then arithmetic mean 1, then 2 till ax, and then 1. So number of terms will be here, x terms here, and 1 and 2. So x plus 2 terms. So here a equal to x square, and x plus 2 terms are there. So a plus x plus 1 into d must be equal to 1. So we put value of a as x square. So we get x square plus x plus 1d equal to 1, from where we get D equals 1 minus x squared divided by 1 plus x. So this will be 1 minus x times 1 plus x whole divided by 1 plus x. So 1 plus x will cancel out and we will get D equals 1 minus x. Now we have A equal to, sorry for interruption. So we have obtained A equal to x square and D equal to 1 minus x, and we were to obtain A1, A2, etc. So A1 will be x square plus 1 minus x. A2 will be x square plus twice of 1 minus x, and Ax will be equal to x square plus x times 1 minus x. It will give x equals x square plus x minus x square. So x square will cancel out and we will get x. So let's consider next question. And arithmetic mean is given by, arithmetic mean is given as a plus n minus 1 into d, where n belongs to natural number. Then we have to show that f1 and f2n minus 1 have mean as, arithmetic mean as fn. So here we can get first one by putting n equal to 1. So f1 will be equal to a plus 0, that is a. And f2n minus 1 will be equal to a plus 2n minus 1 minus 1 times d, that is a plus, this will become 2n minus 2d, that is a plus 2d n minus 1. Now we have got two terms, f1 as a and f2n minus 1 as a plus 2d times n minus 1. Now we have to find out arithmetic mean between these two. So f1 plus f2n minus 1 divided by 2 will be arithmetic mean. So let's put the values. A plus 2d n minus 1 divided by 2. So this will give a plus n minus 1 into d. Clearly, fn is same as this result. So we can say arithmetic mean between f1 and f2n minus 1 is fn. Thank you.